some of us have it good in the U.S. because you have not experienced this yet. But which one of you here that would like to live on this side where you live by fear every day?
We're right at the border right now, all right? This is the Dominican side. Once you cross these doors, that's the Haitian side.
Understand that anything can happen in minutes.
Luis Abinader control the country, and then he put that propaganda out there for the so-called Dominican to hate the so-called Haitians.
From one end of the country to the other, we asked what is the conflict between the so-called Haitians and the so-called Dominicans. Everybody says there is no conflict.
I just saw 2 Haitians just get deported, but their cops, guess who their cops were? There's a Semenas, which is a Dominican.
Ustedes están enojados con nosotros, pero nosotros somos igual que ustedes. Somos la misma gente, la misma familia. Dominicanos y haitianos son la misma gente. Somos